Hi, I am Atla. I would like to show you, how does the water move in the plant? If you are not interested, then change the channel to Cartoon Network. First, we should talk about the water. The water is a liquid, sometimes solid, sometimes gas, depends on temperature, but it is not important in this case. Water helps in the germination of seeds. Water helps in the maintenance of the plant structure by pressure. Water helps in the transport of nutrients from the soil to the plants. And here we are, transportation. For transportation, the water needs to move somehow between two places. We have to talk about two things, osmosis and capillary effect. Osmosis. The water moves by itself from the solution with low concentration of salt or sugar to solution with high concentration of salt or sugar. Capillary effect. The water can move upward using its electric charge. It can climb above if the pipe is thinner. Everything starts in the root. The root is in the soil, keeps the plant to stand and let the water in with nutrients. The root has four important parts. Root cap. This part protect the root. Division zone, the plant produce new cells by dividing. Elongation zone, the cells stretch and make the root longer. Maturation zone, here happens everything. Here are the root hairs, they let the water in. Inside of the root we can find two channels, xylem and phloem. The xylem is for transporting water and nutrients upward, and the phloem is for transporting sugar up and down. They are thin pipes. The plant doesn't need to take the water moves in by itself. Do you remember? Osmosis. It doesn't need to pump up the water, thin pipes. We can say, this process is energy free. Now we talk a bit about energy making and energy using. Photosynthesis is a process, when the plants catch the light energy, mix it with water and CO2 and produce sugar and oxygen. The respiration is a process, when the plants break the sugar by oxygen, and get energy, water and CO2. Next station is the stem, the big transport channel, the plant's highway. It has xylem and phloem for transporting a lot of stuff up and down between root and leaves, flowers. It has a protection layer also, like every part, but let me turn back to water. The water moves away and reach the leaves. The leaves have a waxy layer on the top, so it cannot take water from the rain, and this layer also protect against the water drops. The water leaves the plant here, on the bottom of leaf, through the stomata. I hope you enjoyed it, or you had a great time with Cartoon Network.